Step 13 na ta! Ang step 13 nato is actually very simple. You will log into your email inbox and check if you got any replies. You will also log in to onlinejobs.ph to check if naaba kay messages didto. Naabay ni reply? Naabay ni kagat sa katong 3 to 5 job applications imong gisend gahapon? If na ay interview invite, congratulations! Ikaw ay maswerte. Confirm dayon sa schedule ha? And then, prepare yourself for the interview. On your tracker, ang katong job application nga gi-invite ka for interview, ang status ato imo to siyang ilisdan og for interview. Puhon, kung manakag-interview and then you get hired, ang status pod sa katong job application sa imong tracker ilisdan pod nimo og hired.
Bitaw no?
You get the idea unsay gamit sa tracker? Also, if gi-interview ka unya feel nimo murag bati ang result, murag di kay ka ready or di pud ka ganahan sad kaayo sa client, maybe ba dili aligned inyong energy, kay pwede man pud na nga ikaw mo'y dili pud ka uyon. Ang imong buhaton sa imong tracker is magbutang kag remarks. Ilista nimo didto imong areas for improvement. I-note ang what you could have done better, what your observations are sa imong self, how you can be better at future interviews. This will serve as your digital and mental note that you are learning and improving. So kanang tracker nimo, mao na imong data collection. Importante kaayo na. Your data will drive your decisions later on. Whether you adjust the types of clients that you choose or the industry that you want to serve, even the volume of applications that you send every day. Again, data will drive your decisions. Maunang ayaw og desisyon kung wala kay data nga basihan. Kay ani sa ilang taha kani manggong pagpang-apply, it is very emotionally driven. Kay kung dili ka ma-hire dayon or dili ka ma-invite for an interview, dali ra ka maluya. Natural man na kay tao man ka. You have emotions. But ang atong point is nga di ta mawagtangan og gana. Maunang natay tracker, we collect data so that we can tell ourselves how to improve as we go along. When you have data, you can measure your improvement. If you are keeping track of all the applications that you sent, the interviews that you attended, you are essentially telling yourself that all of that is training. Wa lang ka kahibaw pero nagkahanas ka with every step you take. So, for step 13, the instruction is just to repeat step 11 and 12. Make it your current job to send a daily 3 to 5 applications. Monday to Friday, mao ni imong buhaton, until you find a client who will trust you and hire you. Now let's move on to step 14, the very last video in my Road to VA Life series. You will find the link in either the descriptions or the comments. Kita kits!